Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm doing a beautiful set of Bling purple nails. And the color that I'm using is in the color Lilac Pursuit by Madam Glam. As always, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be like polishing a little bit over half of the nail, and then I'm gonna be leaving the tips clear, and then I'm gonna be doing the ring fingers like a full nail with the polish. Again, this is a gel polish by Madam Glam, and I'll be sure to leave the link in the description.
My way to the stars, want to fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes. Let's start a party. My way to the stars, want to fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes. Let's start a party.
Alrighty, so once we do that first coat, we're gonna go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. And as always, I'm using my body UV LED lamp, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. Again, we're doing the ring fingers, just a full nail with a polish, and then we're doing the other nails just like a third of the nail polish and leaving the tips just clear. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. As you can see, even though the nails basically look flawless with just one coat, I always like to just go in and do a second coat.
We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibe.
Alrighty, so once we've applied the 2 coats of the gel polish, we're going to go in with the bling. So as always, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, my wax pencil, and my AB SS6 and SS12. This is the same bling that I always sell on my website, so I'll be sure to leave the link in the description to it, but it is currently being restocked. It will be up really soon. I'm definitely working on it at the moment, so just be patient with me and it'll be up in no time. So as you can see, for this one we did an SS12 right in the middle at the cuticle area, and then we're just outlining the rest of the nail with the small SS6. And remember, just apply the Mia Secret gel resin as you go, because sometimes it will dry a little bit faster, you know, if you just go ahead and apply it over the entire nail. That way you're not wasting your glue. So again, just apply it as you go. Pick up the bling with the wax pencil and just place it on the nail. Alrighty, so for the other nails, I'm going to be doing the bling right in the middle, or like closer to the tip. As you can see, I did the SS12 right in the middle, and then I did the 2 SS6 on both sides, a SS12 underneath, and then a SS6. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other ones, and then I'm also going to be adding a bigger piece to 2 of the nails, which will be this middle finger and then the thumb as well. But for this one, I used the rugby, and then I'm just doing the SS6 and SS12 on the sides. And again, we're using the Mia Secret gel resin. It works really good for me. And then at the end, I also use the activator spray with it, and basically what that do is just help that glue dry a lot faster. And honestly, I feel like it helps the bling stay on even longer. And then again, for this one, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the pinky, and then on the thumb it's going to be the same thing that was on the middle finger.
Let's start a party. My way to the stars. Want to fly, fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky. Feel the vibes. Let's start a party.
Alrighty, so after we're done, we're going to go ahead and spray the nails with the activator spray. And again, that's going to help that glue dry a lot faster. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this hand. Only one finger is going to be a little bit different. She did want like a tip outline in the bling, so you will see me do something a little bit different on one of the nails on this hand. But for this one, again, we did the SS12 right in the middle, closer to the cuticle area, and outlining the rest of the nail with the SS6. As you can see, you want to put it right at the edge of the nail, but not to where it's hanging off the nail, because you don't want them to fall off really easily. So make sure that you're careful with that when you're doing the outline with the bling.
My way to the stars. Want to fly, fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky. Feel the vibes. Let's start a party.
Alrighty, so this is the one that she wanted a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a SS12 right in the middle, and then basically I'm just going to outline that tip. So basically the same thing that I did on the ring finger, but just literally right on the tip. And it was really actually different, but it was still really cute. So then for the rest of the nails, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the other nails, just placing them right in the middle where the clear and the color meets. Alrighty, so I sprayed the nails with the activator, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and apply the IBD gel top coat on all of the nails, and then we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds.
Want to fly, fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes. Let's start a party. My way to the stars. Want to fly, fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes. Let's start a party.
Alrighty y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. That color is just flawless, and that bling just went so well together. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.